In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply discounts or promo codes in Practice Better. Offering a discount or promo code can be a simple way to encourage bookings, reward loyalty, or run a limited time promotion. I'll walk you through creating a coupon in Practice Better so it's ready for clients to use or for you to apply to eligible payments. Start in your Practice Better Practitioner dashboard. From the menu, go to My Practice, then Billing and Payments, and open Coupons. This page is the home base for all of your promo codes, including anything you've already set up and anything new you create. To add a new coupon, look for the red Fast Action button in the bottom right corner of your screen. Click it, then select Create Coupon. This opens a form with the essential details you need to set up your discount. Begin by defining the coupon code. Codes are case-sensitive, which means uppercase and lowercase letters are treated differently. To avoid confusion, it's a good idea to keep the format consistent. Many businesses prefer all caps for clarity. Your code can include letters, numbers, a hyphen, or an underscore. Avoid spaces and keep it short, memorable, and relevant to your offer, like Wellness 30 for a 30% promotion. Steer clear of anything that could reveal private information. Next, choose the discount type. You have two options, a percentage off, such as 30% off, or a fixed amount off, like a set dollar or currency amount. Percentage discounts work well when your services vary in price, because the savings scale with the total. Fixed amounts are great for flat fee services or when you want a precise, predictable discount. Think about your pricing and your goal for the promotion to decide which one makes the most sense. Once your code and discount type are set, take a moment to review everything. Make sure the code is spelled exactly the way you want it, remembering that capitalization matters. If you plan to share the code with clients, copy it directly from the form to reduce the chance of typos. When you're satisfied, save the coupon. As soon as it's saved, it becomes available for use. Clients can enter the code during checkout on eligible services or products, and you can apply it yourself when you're handling billing on their behalf. If you're announcing the promo, be clear about the exact code and any conditions you've communicated elsewhere, so clients know how to use it successfully. That's all it takes. You've created a coupon in Practice Better, and it's ready to go. Thanks for watching, and happy promoting!